Notify Me lets you offer partial payments and discounts for pre-order products to build a better pre-order campaign. Here you can change the partial payment policies. You can use a fixed or a percentage of the price of your product. You can also choose the time they'll pay the rest of the price after a fixed amount of time, or specify an exact time when they will be charged. Let's say I've got this $100 product. I can choose to offer 20% upfront payment and then the other 80% on fulfillment. I can also choose a static amount, let's say $10 upfront and other when fulfilled. Offering discounts is a good idea for pre-order products since the product usually ships later. You can offer discounts based on a static number or a percentage of the price. For the same $100 product, I can offer them a 20% discount or simply $20 off. You can change the triggers of your inventory options from here. There are 3 options as of now which let you fulfill immediately, choose the fulfillment date by yourself, or choose a specific time to be fulfilled. Here, on Inventory Reserve Preferences, you can choose your reserve preferences. You can choose between when a customer purchases or when you fulfill the order. These vary based on your inventory preferences. Our team can help you choose which one suits you best as well, so don't be shy. Hit the chat button and our team will assist you through this process by sharing use cases and success stories from stores just like yours.